Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the class that you can use in Battle Royale mode, especially if you push your rank. So that I want to show you is the mechanic. It's part of a tracker class. Let's click the class. As you can see, there are total 5 class. The tracker that I want to show you have a subclass. There are 5 subclass, and I choose the mechanic. So the mechanic is a EMP drone. So this is the brief information. The EMP drone that interfere with your enemy, and also it can detect vehicle through the walls. And also this is the default or the passive trait of the tracker. The enemy footsteps can be heard from a distance. So let's try in the Battle Royale ground practice. Let's get back. This is Battle Royale training ground. Let's try. Click start. Welcome to Battle Royale training ground. As you can see, there is enemy far away on the far post. So let's try the mechanic of a part of the tracker class. Give it a launch. This is the mechanic drone that interfere the enemy. It's quite useful. So it can blind or slowing down the enemy also. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.